Quality material upgrade finishes. Made of heavy-duty metal with wrinkle finishes. Can withstand heavy beat but still remain beautiful outlook. Very durable and unique. Simple installation. Identify left and right mounting brackets as pictures show, prepare a cardboard, and then follow the 4 steps in picture 5 to install. Make sure in step 4 that bracket need to be installed at where windshield ends. Extra protection. Come with foam tape that you can use at the contact area between bracket and vehicle to protect vehicle from wear and ensure a more secure installation. Package include 2 PCS mounting bracket plus 1 pack of self-tapping screws plus foam tape. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Top reviews from the United States. And it cost how much? I have always wanted a light bar in my Jeep. When I finally found the right mounts for my YJ, I jumped on this light bar. I was a bit worried at first. I mean, how could it really be for this price, right? It came well packaged and was not damaged upon arrival. I read some reviews about other people getting condensation, so I masked off either side of the seam where the glass is sealed and used black sterile silicone. Pulling off the tape right after left clean lines so it's hardly noticeable. Not sure if that will really help, but for $7 I figured it was worth a shot. Once I put this on and wired it up, I was blown away. It is so bright. People will think you paid 10x what you did for it. Even if it only lasts a couple of years, it will be worth it. There is probably not a more affordable way to make your vehicle appear more aggressive. It did require washers as stated. It would be nice if they charged a little bit more and included some anti-tilt washers, but it's not too big of a deal. If you're in the market for a light bar, get this. Just be sure to get a high-quality harness. Do your research. The extra harness is worth an additional $15 to $30. I have only had it on a day, but I am very pleased with this purchase.